Hey guys, it's your boy Mikey, and today I'm going to be teaching you a for loop for C++. So the for loop is pretty simple actually. The syntax for it starts with for, and then you get a parentheses, and you have to declare a counter. So I always just call them index. You can call it count, but I do index. And then you have to set it to something, you have to initialize it. I set it to 0 for just the purpose of this video, and then you have to create a condition. So that would be index is less than x, this variable that I declared that is 10. So basically the loop is going to keep on running until index becomes equal to or greater than x, and then finally you have to create an increment for index. So we can just do index plus plus, which says that index will see an increase of 1 after the statements that follow are run. So for the statements I can do, for example, cout index, and then basically what's going to happen is index is going to print. It's going to start at 0 because that's what it is, and then index plus plus is going to run, so it'll turn to 1, and then 1 is less than x, which is 10, so 1 is less than 10, so it's going to run again. It's going to print out 1, new line, add, and it's going to keep doing that until the condition is false. So you'll see that once it reaches 9, it's going to stop. And there it is. It reached 9, it stopped, the program has ended. That's the for loop for you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye now.